me, Harley. Are you? Won't fire, won't start, says my neighbor. So, MS290. I don't see no deep compression valve on this. This thing ain't got no compression. Maybe that's the way they made them. Anyhow, let me blow the dust off this thing before I get in there and take it completely apart. No, that ain't doing it. Where's my spark test at? I didn't find the one I was looking for. This is one in an inline job, which I don't like. It lit up. It's getting fire to the spark plug. What is it? Spark plug. Sparking. Y'all see that spark? I got the screwdriver grounded on the cylinder. So, spark plug is firing. I dumped the gas out of it. Fuel line looks okay, filter looks okay. It's not an old saw anyway. So, let's go to the carburetor. I'm not used to working on saws so new. Throttle linkage. Come on loose. Okay. I'm gonna remember where it goes. Goes in there and turns like that. Okay. All right. What's holding you now? Are you just stuck in place? I like where they put the breather for the gas tank. Got a hose running up here and running over here too. It's easy to get to. I like that. Huh. Can see where the fuel line hooks to it. I need to test that fuel line. So that's your impulse. This is your impulse right here. And it plugs in right there. If I can get the fuel line off of it. Huh. Had gas in the line, so I don't think I need to, in the gas line, so I don't think I need to check that. All right, let's see here. Okay. Let me take this over my trash can and blow it off a little bit. I got the carburetor back on. Let's see if it'll run. All I did was blow the carburetor out. There's the way, Ollie. Sounds like starving for fuel to me. How'd this thing get all zoomed in? got them adjuster locks on it where you can't adjust it for so far on the high and the low. Well, I got both of them wide open. You can't open them about a half a turn or so. Hey, guess what? It ain't got no gas in it. You laughing at me, Holly? Are you? Everybody does it every once in a while. Well, I call that done. I'm going to blow it a little bit more and sharpen my chain for him and get him to come get it. He just brought it today, so I'm glad to do it tonight. He'll come back and get it tomorrow. He's got some wood to cut. So, anyhow, y'all owe me one thumbs up, guys. I don't ask for no money or none of that stuff. I'm not monetized. My channel is not about money. Hey, everybody take care.